Hello students, so today we will be learning about the least recently used page replacement algorithm, which is also called as LRU algorithm. Here the reference string is given, which we have already seen in the for the FIFO algorithm. Again the frame numbers are given as 3 and the last row, if you see, it is PF, that is nothing but your page faults. Now what is this reference string? The reference string is nothing but CPU wants to access these pages, and these frames are nothing but the main memory is divided into 3 frames. This is our assumption. Okay. Now if you see, initially all the frames are empty. Now when CPU is requesting these pages, we will bring these pages into the main memory from the secondary storage into the frames of main memory one by one, and there are certain algorithms for that. Out of that we will be studying least recently used algorithm today. Now let us start. What happens in least recently used? That means whichever is least recently used, that page will be replaced. Now just pay attention. CPU wants to request page number 7. The frames are empty. That means the page is not available. That means it is a miss. Page is a miss. So we have to go into the secondary storage and bring that page from the secondary storage to the main memory. So we have brought 7 into page frame 1, frame number 1. So it is a page fault. Then comes page number 0. Now 7 will come as it is. 0 is also not there in the main memory or in the frames, so we have to bring it into the frame. Now we have brought, that means it is a page fault. Now the third request is page number 1. Is it there in the frames? No, it is not there in the frames. So we have to bring that. So 7, 0, 1. 1 comes in the frame number 3, and that is a page fault. Now CPU requests for page number 2. Now this page number 2, see the contents of the frames 7, 0, 1. Is it there? It is not there. That means here we need to replace. Now which page to replace out of this all the frames? Which page number from these frames to be replaced? Because 2 wants to get a place into these frames. Now we will replace it using least recently used algorithm. In least recently used algorithm, what we do is we go backwards and check which was least recently used. Now what we will check? We will check the contents of the frames, that is 7, 0, 1. Now here this is the string. Out of this 7, 0, 1, which was least recently used? This 1 was most recently used, which means that page number 7 was least recently used. So this 7 becomes the 7 page number will be replaced by 2. So here this 7 will be replaced by 2. So 2, 0, 1, and that is a page fault. Now just see page number 0 comes. This 0 is already available in the frames. That means that means there is a hit, no page fault. So write the string as it is, 2, 0, 1. Right. Then comes page request number for page number 3. 3 is there in the frames? No. That means it is a page fault. So straight away write here page fault. But then which page to replace? So out of this 2, 0, 1. Okay. Just go backwards. So 0 is the most recently one used, obviously, which means that 1 is the least recently used. So 1 becomes the frame which we will be replacing. So 3 will be replaced by 1. So here 3, then 2 and 0 as it is. Okay. Again comes what? 0. 0 is already there in the frames. So no page fault. So 2, 0, 3. Then comes 4. Whether this 4 is there in the whether this 4 is present in the frames? No. That means it is a page fault. So which page to replace? So straight away write page fault. Which page to replace out of 2, 0, 3? Go likewise. So 0 is most recently used. 3 is most recently used. But then 2, if you see here, it is least recently used. So we will replace 4 by 2. So 4, 0, 3. Then comes what? 2. Now out of this again 2 is there in the frames? No. So again this is a page fault. Out of 403, which one to be replaced? So go likewise 403. Which one is least recently used? 3. So 3 will be replaced by 2. That means 402. Right. Then comes 3. Again 3 is there in the frames? No. So page fault. Then out of 402, which one is least recently used? Just check the string, reference string. 402, 2 is most recently used. 4 उसके बाद 0 है. तो 0 is the least recently used out of 402. So replace 3 by 0. Then 4 and 2 as it is. Then comes 0 again. 0 is there in the frames ka contents? No. That means it is a page fault. Which page to replace? So out of 432, 4 is the least recently used. So 4 will be replaced by 0, 3 and 2 as it is. Now comes 3. 3 का contents है क्या frame में? Yes है. तो it is not a page fault. So here we will write as it is 0, 3, 2. Then comes 2. 2 का contents है frames में? हाँ है. तो that is not a page fault again. It is a hit. So we will write as it is. Then comes 1. 1 contents are there in the frames? No. Then that is a page fault. So write here page fault. Now which page to replace in the frames? So out of this 0, 3, 2, which is least recently used? So check here. Out of this 0, 3, 2, which one is least recently used? 0. So 0 will be replaced by 1. So 1, 3 and 2. Now comes 2. 2 already is there in the frames? Yes. So no page fault. So we will write 1, 3, 2, no page fault. Now comes 0. Now out of this 0, again, is the contents there in the memory? No. That means it is a page fault. Now when it is a page fault, what we have to do is just check the just go backwards. 1, 3, 2 में से कौन सा least recently used है? 2 तो most recently, उसके बाद 1 है, उसके बाद last में 3 है. So 3 will be replaced by 0. So here 1, 0, 2. 1 is already there in the frames, so it is a hit, no page fault. 1, 0, 2 as it is. Then comes 7. 7 page frames के contents में है क्या? नहीं. So it is a page fault. So which one to replace? So 1 is go like backwards. 1, 0, 2. 1, 0, 2. 1 is most recently used. 2 is least recently used. So it is. So we will be replacing 2. So it is 1, 0, 7. Now out of this 0, 0 is there already in the frames, so it is a hit, so no page fault. So write 1, 0, 7 as it is. And 1 for this one, it is also there in the memory, so no need of page replacement. It is a page hit, no page fault. So write 1, 0, 7. Right. So this is how we solve using least recently used algorithm. The page faults are count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So page faults are 12. So if you compare that with the FIFO algorithm, as compared to FIFO algorithm, least recently used algorithm have less number of page faults. Right? Thank you.